They say time flies when you're having fun. And now, you can mine every second with a watch that brings the magic of Minecraft to your wrist. Whether you're a lifelong Fossil fan, a dedicated gamer, or a collector of unique timepieces, this rare collaboration between Fossil and Minecraft is a must-have. But what makes it so special? Well, let's dig in. Fossil has built its reputation on stylish and durable watches, seamlessly blending classic craftsmanship with modern innovation. Since its founding in 1984, the brand has remained committed to producing timepieces, often incorporating pop culture into its designs. It was only a matter of time before Fossil joined forces with one of the most influential video games in history, Minecraft. Since its launch in 2009, Minecraft has become a global phenomenon, selling over 300 million copies and capturing the imagination of players with its blocky aesthetic and endless creativity. Just as every player starts with a blank world, ready to create, this timepiece offers a fresh canvas for both watch enthusiasts and Minecraft fans alike. The Fossil Minecraft Limited Edition Grass Block Chronograph watch is a masterpiece of thoughtful design and gaming nostalgia. The dial and bezel replicate Minecraft's signature grass block, an unmistakable tribute to the game's pixelated world. The chronograph subdial hands mimic iron tools, subtly referencing the essential gear every player relies on to shape their surroundings. A creeper-etched crown adds a playful nod to one of the game's most infamous mobs, while the embossed leather strap enhances the watch's blocky aesthetic. Even the lenticular caseback delivers a clever visual trick, simulating the effect of breaking a Minecraft block. Just as players start by gathering resources, punching trees to get wood, every detail in this watch builds upon the foundation of the game's creative spirit. But this watch isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. Powered by a quartz chronograph movement, it ensures precise timekeeping while maintaining a sleek, modern design. With a 5 ATM water resistance rating, it's durable enough for everyday adventures, whether you're exploring the real world or venturing through the nether. A timepiece should be built to endure, just as every Minecraft player learns to survive and thrive, adapting to challenges with strategy and perseverance. The experience is rounded out with exclusive collector's packaging, designed to resemble a Minecraft block, making it an instant standout in any collection. Fans of both Fossil and Minecraft are clamoring to get their hands on this rare, limited edition timepiece, and it's easy to see why. This isn't just a watch, it's a celebration of Minecraft's legacy, a wearable piece of gaming history that blends style, craftsmanship, and nostalgia into one. Unlike other pop culture crossovers, this watch remains sophisticated and versatile, ensuring it can be worn as a daily statement piece or treasured as a collectible. With limited availability, those lucky enough to secure one will own a truly special item. Just as players must always stay prepared for surprises, whether friendly or explosive, this watch ensures you're always ahead of time. Released on March 7th, 2025, to coincide with the highly anticipated Minecraft movie, this exclusive timepiece is available through Fossil's official website and select retailers. But with demand soaring, they won't be around for long. Time, like a Minecraft world, is full of endless possibilities, so don't miss your chance to craft this one for your collection.